Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best 360-degree dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 360-degree dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Preveo 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam is designed to give drivers complete peace of mind with full vehicle coverage. Featuring 4 cameras that record the front, rear, left, and right. This advanced dash camera captures everything happening around and inside your car at the same time. Whether you're driving, parked, or away, Preveo ensures no critical moment is missed. Built-in GPS accurately tracks your speed and driving route, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to instantly view, download, and share footage through a compatible mobile app. With enhanced night vision technology, the camera delivers clear, detailed video even in low-light conditions, making it reliable for both day and night driving. The 24/7 parking monitoring feature adds an extra layer of security by automatically recording incidents when motion or impact is detected. Ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and families, the Preveo 4-channel dashcam combines safety, convenience, and advanced technology to protect you and your vehicle at all times. Number 2. Experience complete peace of mind on every drive with this 4K 360 degrees dashcam for cars, designed to capture everything happening around your vehicle. Equipped with a 4-channel system, it records front, rear, and interior views simultaneously, delivering ultra-clear 4K footage with wide-angle coverage and 0 blind spots. The included 128GB memory card ensures you're ready to record right out of the box. With voice control, you can operate the dashcam hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. The advanced 5.8G Wi-Fi enables faster video transfer to your smartphone, while built-in GPS accurately tracks driving routes, speed, and location for added security and evidence. Drive confidently day or night thanks to IR night vision, which captures clear interior footage even in low-light conditions. Ideal for rideshare drivers and families alike. The intelligent G sensor automatically locks important clips during sudden impacts, preventing overriding. Plus, 24/7 parking monitoring provides round-the-clock protection, even when your car is parked. Reliable, smart, and powerful, this dashcam is your all-seeing co-pilot on every journey. Number 3. Upgrade your driving security with this advanced 4K dashcam with 360 degrees view, designed to capture every detail on the road and around your vehicle. Featuring a 4-channel front and rear camera system, it records ultra-clear 4K footage from the front while monitoring the rear and side simultaneously, giving you complete coverage and peace of mind. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS allow for faster video transfers and precise tracking of speed and location, perfect for evidence and trip reviews. Enjoy hands-free convenience with intelligent voice control, letting you manage recording without distraction. The included free 128GB memory card means you're ready to record right out of the box. Advanced night vision technology ensures clear images even in low-light conditions, while 24-hour parking mode keeps your car protected around the clock by detecting motion or impacts when parked. Reliable, smart, and powerful, this dashcam is your ultimate driving companion. Number 4. Experience total driving confidence with the N5 Pro 4K 4-channel dashcam, designed to capture every angle of your journey. The advanced 360 degrees all-around view records stunning 4K front footage alongside 1080p rear and interior cameras, ensuring nothing escapes your sight. Powered by ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi 6, enjoy seamless video transfers at speeds up to 10 megabytes per second, making playback and sharing effortless. Built-in GPS accurately logs your route, speed, and location, providing essential evidence when you need it most. For night driving, 8 infrared LEDs deliver crystal clear interior recordings, even in complete darkness. The intelligent G sensor automatically detects sudden impacts and instantly locks critical footage to prevent overriding. With 24-hour parking monitoring, The N5 Pro keeps watch over your vehicle day and night, offering reliable protection whether you're on the road or away. Sleek, powerful, and dependable, this DashCam is the ultimate solution for drivers who demand clarity, security, and peace of mind on every drive. Upgrade today and transform every commute into a safer, smarter driving experience worldwide now. Number 5. The Vantru N5S 4-channel 360 degrees DashCam with CPL filter is built for drivers who want complete confidence on the road, day and night. Powered by cutting-edge Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, it captures stunning detail across all 4 channels, recording 2.7K front, 1440p rear, and dual 1080p interior and side views for true 360-degree coverage. The included CPL filter reduces glare and reflections, delivering clearer footage in bright sunlight and harsh lighting conditions. For nighttime driving or rideshare use, the infrared night vision with IR LEDs ensures crisp interior recording even in total darkness. Voice control allows hands-free operation, keeping your focus where it belongs, on the road. Built-in GPS accurately logs speed and location, adding an extra layer of protection in case of incidents. With advanced 24/7 parking monitoring, the N5S safeguards your vehicle even when you're away. Whether commuting, road tripping, or driving professionally, the Vantru N5S delivers all-around visibility, reliability, and peace of mind in one powerful DashCam system.